Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about geometric future model 5 plus mid tower PC case. So friend, the mid tower case which built on original model 5 design comes with clear improvement like front and left side, tempered glass panel, and it's built to handle a range of hardware needs with the dual drive base setup that weighs both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drive storage device, and the case support graphics card up to 460 long and CPU cooler up to 180 tall and power supply that are no more than 160 deep with fully modular design being a good match. It's fit various motherboard types including E-ATX, ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX with dimension of 242 wide, 480 in deep and 440 in height and weight of 8.75 kg, and the Model 5 Plus step up with the cooling game by coming with 5140 Squama 250314 fans mounted at the rear, bottom and front, and it also support water cooling radiator, letting you install radiator up to 420 on the top, 360 on the bottom and 140 in the rear. In total, you can add up to 10 fans to keep things cool, and the design is ideal for setup that run hard from long periods, and the tempered glass panel not only give a modern look but also keep the internal protected and visible for all the gurus who like show their builds. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.